When you first enter LearningZone, you'll begin on what's called the Screen Activity page. You'll need to change this so that you are directed to the Modules page. To do this, select Choose Home Page in your course, select Course Modules, and save. Now you're in the Course Modules page. When you or students select Home, this is the page you'll be directed to. You can add your first module easily just by selecting Plus Module. Name it whatever you'd like and select Add Module. Now you can add documents or assignments in that module. The students won't be able to see the module unless you publish it by selecting that little gray cloud. Now, to add assignments to your gradebook, you will need to go to the Assignments tab in the left-hand navigation. You may notice it's hard to see or grayed out. This is because when there's no content in something, it's not visible. Once you have your first assignment in there, it will be visible to both you and your students. To create the assignments in your gradebook, you'll need to go to the Assignments link, and you'll see a default group or category named Assignments. You can add additional groups or assignments just by selecting the plus group sign. You can name them. You can make multiple groups. And you can either hit return or save. Once you have added some groups, now you can add assignments in those groups. If I wanted to add all my labs, I must add them one at a time. And select Save. Now, this one doesn't have any points or a due date on it, so we need to go back and add that. You have to go to the assignment, select Edit, and down below you put the points, and you'll see at the bottom the due date, and save. Now here you can either save and publish or save. We're going to save, and now we need to go back to the Assignments tab. We can either select the breadcrumb at the top or the Assignments link at the side. You notice that now we have a due date and points, but it's still not visible in the gradebook until you publish it. So you must select the little cloud to make it green to publish it. This will make it visible in the gradebook. You can continue adding assignments but it's easier if you add the due dates while you're creating the assignment. You can always go back and edit these at any time. It's also easier if you save and publish from here. Once you have your assignments added in your categories, if you want to see what they look like in the gradebook, go to Grades, There's more than one place to add the grades for your assignments. Once you have students in your course, you'll be able to add the grades right here. You can also add them directly from the assignment. I'm going to go back to my home page by selecting the breadcrumb at the very beginning, and then I'm going back into assignments. So you can grade directly from the assignment. Once you have students who have submitted, or you have students you want to add grades for, you go to Speed Grader. And right now there isn't any in there, but once you have students that have assignments, or you have students in your course, you'll be able to grade. To find out more about how to set up and create the gradebook you want, look at the other training tutorials in the LearningZone Essentials. Thank you.